G'day guys, welcome to the latest instalment of Cool Tool Tuesday.
Bleh.
We've spoken about spiral bits before, and as you'd know, they leave you with a really good cut. Now this is dependent on whether you want a clean cut on the top surface or the bottom surface, whether you want a spiral up or down cut. With the new range of compression bits from Torquata, these guys allow you to use both a spiral up cut and down cut at the same time. Let's say you're cutting out a round table, a dining table. You've got your template, your round template over the top, you're ready to cut it out. Do you use a spiral up bit or a spiral down bit? You obviously want to have a good clean cut on your top because that's the bit everyone will see, but why would you not have a clean cut on the bottom? This will help it bring it up to the next level. This will allow you to get a clean cut on both the top and the bottom surfaces at the same time. And if you'd like to see one of these router bits cutting in action, check out the router bit that Paddy did recently. What makes these Torquata bits stand out compared to a standard compression bit is they actually have the bearing installed on them. So the bearing is between the shank and the cutter, so that allows you to put your template on top of your workpiece and cut around with a hand router, or set it up in a router table so your bearing's showing and you can run that around a router table also, and get both edges clean at the same time. Now depending on your application, these are available with or without bearing, and they're available in both a 1/4 inch shank version that has a 1/2 inch cutter on it, 12.7 for us metric users, or there's a 19mm cutter that has a 1/2 inch shank on it. To find out more information and check out the videos from Patrick on both spiral bits and compression bits, click the links below. And for more information on the range of bits that we stock, check out the Timbecon website. That's it from me guys, we'll see you next week.